deliberate move to ensure that we engage the parent.
Bila shaka nataka sasa tumsikilize Inspector Generali wa polisi Douglas Kanja ambaye anahutubu kuhusiana na masuala mbalimbali ya kitaifa na masuala ya polisi. Hebu tumsikilize.
The senior officers present here with us this morning from the National Police Service, the members of the 4th Estate who are also with us this morning. Good morning. It gives me great pleasure to join you this morning for the opening ceremony of this important dialogue on police reforms, accountability, and people-centered policing. I extend my sincere appreciations to the organizers, the United Nations Development Program, the Ministry of Interior and National Administration, and the National Police Leadership Academy for convening this very, very important forum. I also wish to acknowledge the steadfast partnership and support of our development partners, particularly the UNDP, in advancing institutional reforms and strengthening police leadership and the professionalism within the National Police Service. Allow me also to thank the leadership and members of the National Assembly Committee on Administration and Internal Security for your continued engagement and commitment to matters of security and police transformation. Your presence here today underscores the critical role Parliament plays in shaping and sustaining the police reform agendas. Ladies and gentlemen, this dialogue comes at a significant moment in our ongoing journey of reform and renewal within the National Police Service. It provides us with a valuable opportunity to engage with key parliamentary stakeholders, to reflect on progress made and to chart a shared path forward in realizing a professional, accountable, and people-centered policing service. As you are all aware, police reform process is anchored in the Constitution of Kenya 2010, which envisions a service that upholds national values, respects human rights, and provides security as a public good. The strategic framework on police reforms has guided our efforts to transform policing in Kenya by focusing on 4 key pillars. Number 1, strengthening professionalism and integrity within the service. Number 2, enhancing accountability. Number 3, oversight. Number 4, improving officer welfare and working conditions, and building community trust through people-centered approaches. The National Steering Committee on Police Reforms.
Na bila shaka huyo ni Douglas Kanja ambaye ni Inspector Generali wa polisi akizungumzia mafunzo ambao wamepewa viongozi mbalimbali wa polisi, makamanda, kuhusiana na mageuzi ya kitaasisi, hususan taasisi ya National Police Service, vipi ambavyo watakuwa wanabadilisha huduma zao na kuhakikisha huduma zao ni zile ambazo zitakuwa zinaendana na maafisa ama wananchi. Nataka tuelekee Kwale ambapo kamanda wa polisi